Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be featuring another stylist wig. If you guys haven't seen any of my other reviews on this collection that is exclusive to SAMSBEAUTY.com, I'll link all of them below in the description box. So the name of this unit is Selena, and it's a part of the Stylist 13x6 pre-plucked invisible hairline collection. This is how the stock card looks, and I have to emphasize the number one thing that I love about this collection, besides the hairline being pre-plucked, is the lace. You can choose whether you want like a HD kind of natural tone lace, or you can go like I did and I chose the brown lace. So I'll make sure to include the specs that I have down below in the description box, as well as a direct link to this wig and a direct link to Sam's Beauty. So let's get into this. You guys need to see the quick styling process, and then I'm just going to run down to you guys my overall thoughts. I wanted to give you guys an up close view of the pre-plucked hairline, and I also wanted to show you the lace. Do you see it? It's just the most beautiful brown hue, and I'm just so excited about this collection because you cannot find any other synthetic wig with a customized lace.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say.
Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 도도한 두 눈에 매력적인 입술, 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher. Girl, what's your desire? 네 심장은 paradise. You're beautiful, girl, can't you see? 다들 너를 질투해. 걱정 마, girl, can't you see? 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해. Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 뭐 나도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 이뻐. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money. Yeah. I want more money, more money, more money.
Yo. So once again, the name of this wig is Selena by the Stylist Collection, exclusively to SAMSBEAUTY.com. I have her in the color number 2. Now, you guys seen that quick little application, so you know that I didn't adhere the sides down, which makes this wig even more effortless. You don't have to glue it down if you really don't want to, but if you want the front part to melt, I advise using some type of adhesive, just so you know you have that extra security. Do you guys see how natural this brown lace is looking? That's definitely the star of the show. Not only do they give you, look at all this parting space, they give you a ample amount, like great parting space, but also they give you some customization with the color. You cannot beat that. I'm hoping that other companies catch on to this, because I haven't seen any other company have the option of choosing a customized lace color. So kudos to the Stylist collection because they got my vote for that by itself. And the hairline looks good too, sis. You can't go wrong. Okay, you cannot go wrong. The cap construction is made really well. I would say it's big head friendly. You do have like 13 inches of frontal area in the front, so if you need more than that, then you still can get away with this wig because you can do like I did and not even glue the side parts down. I really like the texture of this wig. It's kind of silky when you first take it out of the package, but once you go in to finger comb it and loosen up the curl pattern, it's not like too silky, and it's definitely like not artificial looking. So I can definitely appreciate that with synthetic hair because, you know, sometimes, you know, we get a little bit bougie when we're used to a certain quality of a hair texture. So when I go back to my synthetic wigs and I can actually feel like I'm stunting and like I'm pulling a whole look together and it doesn't look synthetic, I definitely appreciate that. So the texture to me is definitely 5 stars for synthetic hair. The density is really full. This is all the hair to the front. It's still lightweight. I could appreciate that for the summertime. It's not overpowering my face. I could push some back. I can pull half up, leave half down, pull it all up into a ponytail or a bun. So you do have options with this wig, but the density is perfect with the texture and the length of this hair. You guys seen in the styling portion how much shedding I got? And I did run my fingers through this hair one more time off camera, and I did get like a couple strands of shedding. So this hair does shed, but it doesn't shed anything crazy or like unnormal for this synthetic hair texture. And being that it's curly, you're not going to be manipulating it too much, so you won't get no shedding throughout the day or anything like that, because once you style it, you shouldn't really have to do nothing but maybe just fluff it out and keep it pushing. So that's my overall thoughts about this wig. I feel like the quality definitely is there. The price is about standard for a frontal synthetic wig. I believe it's around $50. So I feel like that's pretty much the standard price nowadays for a frontal synthetic wig. So I can't complain about that, especially with the customization and the Stylist wigs. The texture, I will emphasize, is fairly good. Like, it will last you a decent amount of time. So that's my opinions. That's my review on Miss Selena. Definitely OhSo approved, hands down. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave your thoughts and opinions down below. And I will leave all direct links if you are interested in purchasing. I can't even talk. I'm trying to talk too fast. And I will leave all direct links down below if you're interested in purchasing this wig. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.